Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about what is affiliate marketing and what is CPA marketing. I have a lot of people ask me this question, so I want to do a quick video and explain it a little bit more to you. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, we're going to talk about what is affiliate marketing and CPA marketing. First of all, affiliate marketing is earning a commission by promoting other people's products or services when a sale is made, and the commissions can be anywhere from 3% to 100%. Some examples of affiliate networks. These are just websites that house all the offers for you. One of the best known ones is ClickBank. You can go here, you go to the marketplace, and just if you want to find the most popular products, just click on the search there. You'll see the most popular product right now is Cinderella Solution, and it pays an average of $35.55 per sale. You can just scroll down and see all the different offers here. All you do to promote it is just click on promote, and that'll give you your affiliate link. The next one is Share a Sale, and you can see by going here the different categories. By the way, the most popular categories are wealth, relationships, and health, because those are the areas that people have the most problems in. So those will be the most easiest to make money in, those categories. The next one is Amazon. You can become an Amazon affiliate by going to affiliate-program.amazon.com and sign up. That's also free to sign up. And you can promote any product on Amazon, any of their products or services, and earn a commission when a sale is made. The next one is Jvzoo. That is free to sign up as well. Now, these first three ones, you don't have to wait to get your affiliate link. Jvzoo, you have to go in and apply to get your affiliate link. That can take a little bit of time. That's also another good affiliate network. And then the last one is Warrior Plus. This one also is free to sign up, but you do have to apply for each particular product that you want to promote. So example, if you go to affiliate and you go under offers, you can see the offers here, and all you have to do is click on request, and then again, it could take a little bit of time, but it is free to sign up as well. So what is CPA marketing? That's a little bit different, but you get paid for promoting offers where someone takes an action, so they don't have to make a purchase, but it can be like filling out a form, getting a quote, signing up for a trial. So you see those advertisements where someone signs up to get, like they'll pay for shipping and they'll get some sort of supplement. That's a free trial, and then you can get paid if they take that free trial or to make a purchase as well. But again, they don't have to make a purchase. They can just take a particular action. Some examples of CPA networks are PureFly. Right here you can see the different offers. They have over 2,000 offers here, and they can pay you very, very well. Same thing with Max Bounty. You can get paid very well through there. They have over 2,000 as well. These are a little bit harder, to get approved for. The last one I want to mention is Traffic Domination Network. I just did a video review on this network yesterday. I'll post that in the description below, a link to that video. This one is very easy to sign up for. It's brand new. There's a lot of great offers in here. Right now, the lowest you can get paid, I think, was like $15. The most you can get paid is $260 for someone taking a particular action. So those are all really good examples of CPA networks. There's a lot more out there, as well as a lot more affiliate marketing networks, but those are just some examples that I wanted to give you. So I hope you guys found some value in what is affiliate marketing and what is CPA marketing. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. And if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money from home, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Mayer signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.